Hello and welcome to Skyworld said. Courtesy Suzanne Wheeler. Suzanne Wheeler doesn't want to symbolize a movement. She just wants to live as a trans woman in Kansas as she has for the past 8 years, unapologetically herself, and with the official documents to prove it. But now Wheeler wonders if that's even possible, given a new state law requiring Kansas agencies to stop recognizing trans residents' gender identity on basic public records. It takes effect Saturday. What kind of risk would that put me at? Said Wheeler, a retired U.S. Army colonel and grandmother. A Kansas teacher is suing school officials for requiring her to address students by their preferred names, saying the policy violates her religious freedom. The law requires the sex designation on Kansas driver's licenses and birth certificates to reflect a person's sex at birth, the state's Republican Attorney General said in a legal opinion Monday, years after Kansas, as part of a 2019 federal equal protection lawsuit settlement, began allowing birth certificates to be changed to reflect a person's gender identity. Now, Senate Bill 180, dubbed the Kansas Women's Bill of Rights, mandates an individual's sex, means such individual's biological sex, either male or female, at birth, Chris Kabak said in the legal opinion. He issued it in response to a GOP state legislator's inquiry about the impact of the 2023 law requiring state records reflect biological sex. He told this news channel.